everyone. Today I will be talking about drinking water and different water treatment options. When we go hiking, camping, or backpacking, finding clean drinking water is very important. Even if water looks clean, it can still contain harmful microorganisms that can make us sick. Knowing how to make water safe to drink is an important outdoor survival skill. In this presentation, I will explain four common water treatment methods, compare them, and discuss when each one is the best choice. When you're outdoor, uh, you may find water in rivers, lakes, or streams. Although this water may look clean, it can contain bacteria, viruses, and parasites that are too small to see. Drinking untreated water can cause diarrhea, stomach pain, vomiting, dehydration, and other illnesses. That's why treating water before drinking it is always recommended. It only takes a few minutes and can prevent serious health problems during outdoor adventures. First method is boiling. Boiling is one of the safest and most reliable ways to purify water. You simply bring the water to a rolling boil for at least 1 minute. The high temperature kills most bacteria, viruses, and parasites. The biggest advantage of boiling is that it's very effective and works almost anywhere if you have a stove or fire. The disadvantage is that it takes time, require fuel, and you have to wait for the water to cool before drinking it. The second method is using a water filter. Portable water filters are very popular with hikers because they are lightweight and easy to carry. The they remove dirt, bacteria, and parasites from water, making it safe to drink in many situations. However, not all filters remove viruses, so it is important to know the limitations of your filter before relying on it. For most backpacking trips, filters are one of the most convenient options. Another common method is chemical treatment. This usually involves using purification tablets or drops that contain chlorine or iodine. These chemicals kill many harmful microorganisms. Chemical treatments are lightweight, inexpensive, and easy to carry, which makes it a good emergency option. However, it usually takes about 30 minutes before the water is safe to drink, and some people do not like the taste it leaves behind. The last method is UV treatment. UV purifier use ultraviolet light to destroy bacteria, viruses, and parasites. This method is very fast and doesn't change the taste of the water. However, UV devices require batteries or charging, and they work best when the water is clear. If the water is cloudy, the UV light may not work as well. Now let's compare all four methods. Boiling is probably the most reliable method because it kills almost all harmful microorganisms, but it requires fuel. Water filter are great for hiking because they are portable and quick to use, but some models cannot remove viruses. Chemical tablets are small, lightweight, and useful during emergencies, although they require waiting time. UV purifiers are very fast and effective, but they depend on batteries and clear water. Each method has advantages and disadvantages, so the best choice depends on the situation. So, which method should you choose? If you are camping and have access to stove, boiling is probably the best choice. If you're hiking or backpacking, a water filter is usually the most convenient option. If you need a lightweight emergency backup, chemical tablets are a good choice. If you have a UV purifier and clear water, UV treatment is one of the fastest methods. There is no single perfect method. The best option depends on where you are, the equipment you have, and the condition of the water source. To conclude, safe drinking water is essential during any outdoor activity. Even clear looking water can contain harmful microorganisms, so it is important to treat it before drinking. Today, we learned about four common treatments. Uh, boiling water filters, chemical treatment, and UV purification. Each method has its own strength and limitations, and understanding them help us make better decision outdoor. Thank you so much, and these are all my sources.